morning. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Food Etc. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and to all my subscribers, thank you for your support. Today we are going to make some rhubarb and strawberry pie. I have a bunch of rhubarb outside that needed to be really picked up and do something about it because it's getting cold and it's not going to be staying for long. So as much as I can, I will do something about this rhubarb. So I will be cooking some rhubarb and strawberry pie today, and let me show you how to do it, and it's really easy. Okay guys, let's start with our ingredients. I just cut down 3 pieces of rhubarb stems. I could make more of the rhubarb, but this should be enough for one pie. It's going to be too sour if you put too much of this, because rhubarb is naturally very sour kind of taste, and yeah, you don't want to put too much of that. And then we have here fresh strawberries. This is 454 ounce strawberries, and I will cut this up in small pieces. Same thing with the rhubarb, we will be cutting this. And next we have 2 pie shell. This is store-bought pie shell. This comes in a box like this, and you have to get the deep pie shell, which is 9-inch. And then we need 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 egg. We need the egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So that's all the ingredients we need and the stuff we need. And now we can just cut up our strawberries and our rhubarb, and then we'll mix it up in a mixing bowl, and that's all what we need. We'll be cutting our strawberries in chunks. That. I already cut down my strawberry. This is, by the way, 16-ounce fresh strawberries. So we can start cutting up our rhubarb. I washed this already, so what we need is just gonna cut it in small chunks. Go guys, our rhubarb is already cut up, so we're going to add this in our mixing bowl with our strawberries. So I only use 3 rhubarb stems. That's a lot, and that should be enough, because if you put too much, it's gonna be too tangy or too sour for our taste. So that's perfect. This one should be good. Next, we are going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So we'll add in our 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then our 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then we'll just mix this up. So this is all mixed up properly. Now we can let this sit for a few minutes before we put it in our pie shell. Next, we're going to roll our pie shell a little bit wider to fit in our pie plate. because our pie plate is a little bit bigger than our pie shell. So we'll spread this out to fit in our pie plate. Next, we can pour in our rhubarb and strawberry mix into our pie shell, just like that. Next, we are going to put our 2 tablespoons butter. Just dot it around your pie mix on top. Just pinch your pie shell to seal it, or you can use a fork to seal the pie shell corner or the edges, just like that. So we're going to make a little slit in the middle. Just like that. Next, we are going to brush our pie with our egg yolk. To sprinkle our pie with brown sugar, the 2 tablespoons brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you wish, just like that. Okay. Okay, there you go. Then we are going to put this in our preheated oven at 400 degrees and bake this for 30 to 45 minutes. We're going to put this in a baking sheet, so in case there's spillage, it's going straight to the baking sheet. It's not going to be a big mess. Guys, baking time is done. Let's check our pie. Here's our strawberry rhubarb pie. We'll let this cool off and then we'll check it out later. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you're gonna give this recipe a try, and please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and put a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.